How to transfer money from credit card to bank account. Follow these steps. First, check your credit card's policies. Not all credit cards allow direct transfers to a bank account. Look into whether your card supports this feature and check the fees, as they can range from 2% to 5% of the transfer amount. Second, choose a transfer method. Through your bank. Many banks offer an option to link your credit card and bank account for transfers. Using a mobile app, apps like PayPal or Venmo allow you to send funds from a credit card to a linked bank account. Cash advance. You can withdraw cash from your credit card and deposit it into your bank account, but this often comes with high fees and interest rates. Third, set up the transfer. Log into your credit card or bank account online. Select Transfer and input your bank account details. Double-check the account numbers to avoid errors. Fourth, review fees and interest. Be aware that credit card transfers often accrue interest from day one, even if you pay on time. Understand the total cost before proceeding. Fifth, complete the transfer. Confirm the transaction and keep a receipt or screenshot for your records. Funds typically take 1 to 3 business days to reach your account, depending on the method. Key tip: only use this option when absolutely necessary, as the costs can add up quickly.